No, no way. It is highly unlikely that ChatGPT or Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer or any other artificial intelligence for that matter will replace a teacher, an educator, or any other educational profession for that matter. While AI-powered tools can assist with certain tasks, such as providing personalized learning experiences and grading assignments, they do not have the capability to replace the human connection and personalization that a teacher, you, me, can do for students. Additionally, teachers play a critical role in shaping the social and emotional well-being of children and the development of students, which is difficult to replace with technology. Just know that we are not there.
Teachers are difficult to replace with
It
technology.
is also possible that AI technology will change the way in which teachers and other educators and professionals will work, and it may help them become more efficient and effective in their roles, but it's not going to replace us. So just know that. It's something that I've been thinking about for a while. It is important to learn with the technology so that it doesn't get away from us. A lot of us know that when we were either in the classroom, become principals, or if you're still in the classroom, that there's always something new to learn. However, I will argue that looking at the way we teach does need to change. So if artificial intelligence can enhance how we're teaching, and if you look at, if you're a teacher now, if you're a principal, if you're a parent, grandparent, think about when you were in high school, elementary, middle school. Think about when your parents were in high school, middle or elementary, or when your grandparents were in high school, middle or elementary. School kind of looks the same for all of us. So even though the world is changing around us, school doesn't seem to be changing the way we want it to. So something to really, really think about is what we're doing with the artificial intelligence and what needs to happen in education. So something to ponder. What can we do differently? What can we do with the artificial intelligence that's happening? But ChatGPT or artificial intelligence isn't going to replace the teacher. However, what we do with the artificial intelligence will change the efficiency and the effectiveness of the way we teach. So, food for thought.
Thank you for coming back to my channel. Be sure to turn on the bell. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.